Here it is, an extraordinary view from above. 0 point of the Mataram Ditch, the beginning of a legendary irrigation canal that connects the history, struggles and lives of the people of Yogyakarta. Zero point of the Mataram Soar is located in Motayudan, Magelang. From here the water flows through the Mataram Ditch, an irrigation system that is 30 kilometers long. This channel not only supports agriculture, but also holds very meaningful stories of struggle. The Mataram Ditch was built during the Japanese colonial period, around 1944. However, who would have thought? This project was a smart strategy by Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX to save his people from forced labor or Romusha. By building irrigation canals, people could work in their own villages, not in risky faraway places. Now, Nol Selokan Mataram is an interesting historical place for tourists who want to learn about the traces of past struggles and innovations. Apart from that, the Mataram Ditch still functions as a useful irrigation route for farmers in the Yogyakarta area. However, more than just a water channel, this project is a strategy to save thousands of people from the obligations of Romusha, forced labor that extorts labor without compassion. With the irrigation project, the people can continue to work on their own land, with their families, and continue to fight under colonial pressure. Uniquely, the construction of the Mataram Ditch not only has technical value, but is also a clever strategy for Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX to protect the people from forced labor, Romusha. The Sultan proposed this large project to the Japanese government to improve the irrigation system, so that people could work on their own land without having to be sent outside the area for forced labor.